Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen crowns vision. We have in our hands Glitters of Creative Writers, an anthology of contemporary writers. I'm really glad to present our fourth anthology, Glitters of Creative Writers. I'm indebted to all the budding creative writers. I think poetry needs no introduction and no conclusion. To write a few words about creative writers. All the poems are already shared in Creative Writers Group, which functions during evening time in a vibrant manner. We started this journey way back in 2015 in the WhatsApp group called Crazy English Teachers, where teachers were given opportunity to share their views on various topics. We used to write daily and give reviews, comments, and suggestions. Gradually, now the aerial route has planted its root in the form of creative writers today. With the help of technology, we give opportunity for the poets to write in the given background on the given topic on daily basis topic. This lockdown period has helped us a lot to start the group for the creative writers and gathered friends from here and there and started to write daily. Everyone pours their thoughts and emotions and feelings in their own creative manner. Thus, this period is wisely and fruitfully utilized by the creative writers. This anthology is a feast to the mind and soul. I also hope this journey will continue. As a member of this forum, we are not ambitious. Our only ambition is to write better and write continuously. Glitters of Creative Writers is a collective effort of all the poets. It is a non-profit, non-political group of people just interested only in creative writing. This book will surely inspire, motivate, and encourage young writers. I hope this book will bring joy and satisfaction to all the readers, and in turn, it will surely inspire, encourage, motivate young budding poets. Each poem has a flow and it's unique and really meaningful. It is lucid and simple in style. Poetry lovers will really read it with enthusiasm and cherish it. My hearty thanks to all the poets for accepting this noble venture and making this project very successful. This is our fourth anthology. First one is Cascade of Poetry. Second one, Rainbow of Verses. Third one, Mesmerizing Honey Drops. And the fourth baby is Glitters of Creative Writers. In this anthology, 73 eminent poets have contributed. This anthology could come up successfully only with the help of our co-authors. Each and every co-author has put their best content in this anthology. We are highly grateful to Mr. Uday Chandran, IAS, Principal Secretary, Mr. V. J. Kumar, Joint Director, SCERT, State Council of Education Research and Training, Chennai, Mr. R. Balamurli, CEO of Krishnagiri District, and Mr. V. P. Tamilveeran, retired Deputy Collector, for rendering their valuable forward for this anthology. They are great in encouraging us and a source of inspiration and motivation for all of us. I sincerely thank all the editors of this anthology, Mrs. Sabina Salam, Mrs. Y. Prince Linjon, Mrs. J. Edil, Mrs. Alice, Mrs. P. R. Kalyani, Mrs. Shireen, Mrs. Beulah, Dr. Kayalvidi, Mrs. Rani Lata, Mr. Ravi for lending their helping hand in editorial tidying up. This anthology is dedicated to our erstwhile poet and a member of the group, Mr. Gopinath, who passed away very recently due to the horrible corona. And the poets are Mr. Gopinath, Mr. K. Ramesh, Mr. C. Thirumugam, Dr. A. Arogyameri, Dr. S. Kayalvidi, Dr. Lazen Raj, Dr. Rajesh Kumar Manchi, Mrs. R. Shanmugapriya, Mrs. Alice Jnana Tangapushpam, Mrs. Sabina Salam, Mrs. R. Saraswati, Mrs. T. Tamari Sylvie, Mrs. Y. Prinslin Joan, Mrs. P. R. Kalyani, Mrs. S. R. Kalpana, Mrs. V. T. Kavita, Mrs. J. Edil, Mrs. J. Beulah, Mrs. J. Kavita, Ms. Tanya Gopinath, Mrs. D. K. Vijayalakshmi Ramesh, Mrs. S. Shamala, Mrs. B. Shireen, Mrs. G. Leela Bhakhya, Mrs. J. Saranya, Mrs. S. Shri Priya, Mrs. P. Manjeri, Mrs. M. Tamil Selvi, Mr. T. P. Ahmad Shafiq, Mrs. S. Anuradha, Mrs. N. Nandini Devi, Mrs. B. Deepa, Mrs. S. Lakshmi, Mrs. S. Suganya, Mrs. Ramila Banu, Mrs. S. Yamini Priya, Mrs. Q. Patricia, Mrs. G. Sarala, Mrs. V. Satya, Mr. Solomon, Mrs. B. Nirmala, Mrs. Varsha, Mrs. S. Sumati, Mrs. R. K. Uma Devi, Mrs. R. Vijay Ms. S. Samita, Mr. Prajit, Mrs. K. Sasi Rekha, Miss Annie Kirtana, Mrs. Vanilla, Mrs. V. Suganti, Mrs. S. Padma Jayanti, Mrs. R. Ramapriya, Mrs. Padmavati, Mrs. K. Gomati, Miss Srinidhi, Mrs. R. Hema, Mrs. C. Priya, Mrs. S. Bharati, Mrs. Benita Nicholas, Mrs. R. Edilarsi, Mrs. Chudamani, Mr. S. Ravi, Mrs. A. Manikavalli, Mrs. A. Ranilata, Mrs. U. Maragadam, Mrs. V. Tamil Selvi, Mrs. R. Anbu Selvi, Mrs. R. Gayatri, Mrs. Jansirani, Mr. A. S. Arun Prasad, and Mrs. Brinda. Readers' response are most welcome. Kindly send your feedback or reviews in the comment section. Thank you all.